Welcome to this observance of the International Plastic Bag Free Day. This day, the July 3rd of 2021, which is being organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Lilong Hauraibi College, Lilong, Manipur. The first one will be the webinar. So all the participants, you are requested kindly to listen to the presentation that I'm just going to give, and we'll also have one of the eminent environmentalist and the forest range officer hailing from Kachin district of Manipur, and his name is Mr. Naure Munal Meitei, and he is an activist in the field of plastic bag free as well as the environmental pollution in the state of Manipur. So far we have some of the participants: Muhammad Sadiqur Rahman of the Students Union, from the part of the Students Union, and also the General Secretary of the Students Union Lilong Hauraibi College, Muhammad Talha. And I think so many other members are also joining in this observance of International Plastic Bag Free Day, as it is observed elsewhere in the world. Lilong Hauraibi College Internal Quality Assurance Cell is also observing this day, the 3rd of January 2021, as the Plastic Bag Free Day.
Plastic si tu si haidana ikoina hek pundu busfiaroi maramdi plastic si sinna daba hek tu kiban mita plastic sin silamba leiramba pot mayamama kari me singadori no habi pot man laani maramdi plastic ki putok tri mamang dadi ikoina tabami si maruina clay gumbagi glass gumbagi ceramic gumba adu ngaptani haibo adugumba ikogi amna heavy oiba yamna puthok pujimda waba pot ngakta oirambadu hojiti yam laiba pot am oidna ikoi puthore tawbada bu masigi matam jam changna decompose tawbada changba aduga mu mana decompose tawku matamda ikoi amangba ikoi carbon dioxide methane yauna ikoi mayam ma thadu umba aduga ma ikoina athubida samna ngasi ma ikoina koi ki municipality yamna legislatri bahaiba tare palil kumba adagi waikung gumba wagai lamkhai gumba kuna sathu chalu gumba tamda makoi ki management si khumji laga mai thabu rame adu masida yam sathiri si plastic si mai thar baganda ikoi dioxin adagi bisphenol a ga haidana ikoi yamna ikoi cancerous oiba miyoba yam mangba gas me amum thui hari adu hairi basing tu ikoi saidana leiba landfill tawdana amur akai leiba ki muhut budi haida muina thadu me sigumba ikoi yamna darkadi oiriba marakida khangthing thingbadi yaroidabani aikoina yariba makai as far as possible aikoi ki darkar leiba adu khaktam sinaba aduga sinariba potusu aikoi micron aikoina permissible micron haibatare aikoi 50 micron ki mathak aikoi ban tawriba si sumaina kharkara pa kareni ma degrade oigatoba pota ayamba aikoi sinaba aduga yariba makai di aikoi ki disposable oiba si tawda permanent oiba potsi samna aikoi market chapa matamda aikoi khawma pura sapiba aduga madugi khawda aina leijari ba poto hapalapa matuda kanari basi win-win condition ni yoliba mi dugi su hamna na plastic tu leibada paisa matingore madu aikoi madu laura roi aigi back to the hapani aduga yum pura doin adu average da aikoina karimba grocery amada chalaga aikoina plastic ma pura yum yoga da adum dispose tawro adu namasi average da plastic khuding mak pagi changji average hot pa matamda minute tarani thoiden suksi sin di akoi gi sinari ba akoi plastic sin se adu imatung da du hundo kharabani adu bu aikoina nungmada akoi plastic ke amna hundo iba ai gi light ta bazada gi plastic puraga kyamu yamna hundo kharage haiba sining sing bugan da di si hangpani haiba adu masidi nan hek sabo gi bade ngai panjab duni hauji phau da lei plastic sing si it any form pithimi lei mai si da somewhere adum lei da bane ba mana bi sai chame na koi gi discompose to da chang decompose to da chang bani na monga ma da madam lei ga doi adu masina ngai gi मेरी एनिमल द हाल इसी एनिमल की अमदमु हाले मरम दी मादी डिग्रेडेबल ओइद्रबनिना एनिमल अमै मन द लेरे एनिमल दु माना इंटेग्रल तौदना इन द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम सी द ब्लॉक तौदना एनिमल दु सिहले सिरब मतुंग द एनिमल दु की प्रेस सिंग दु दी डिकम्पोज तौरगनी अदुग प्लास्टिक दु दी डिकम्पोज तौरवा हाइबा डिकम्पोज तौद प्लास्टिक सिना अमु अखोई इन्वायरमेंट सिदा अमु तिंगरगा अतुब प्लास्टिक अमु हाल एरगा मसिना यामना बेसिनस ओइबा यामना मांगबा अदुंगा अमांग पोदम स्पेन एरबा अदुना मसि अखोई मालेम पृथ्वी सिदगी हाइतारे मसि चौखलबा 21st सेंचुरी सिदगी मसि थिंगेरगदी अखोई अनोब टेक्नोलॉजी सो चंगदबदी नते अखोई मसिना अखोई की ngachai udana panchakiba आर सिंसी मनुदा रिव्यूज तोबा रीयूज तोबा रिलीज दे मणिपुर गुंबसिदा अखोइना मसिंग असिमक अखोइना प्लास्टिक चिसेन नरोय हाइरबा तारबदी अइना मसि अखोइ अवेयर वे हाइरगा मसि नमिबखै एज फार एज पॉसिबल तंगाई फदबा नत्रगदी अखोइ प्लास्टिक चिनदबा हाइबसिगी नियम सिदा लापा सिजन नरुबा तारगसु गुमगदी रियूज तोबा अदुगा ngamdragana madu mafam chana अखोइ डिस्पोज ऑफ तोबसिना अखोइ प्लास्टिक की पोल्यूशन सिदगी कन्ननबगी ख्वाइदगी लाइबा अमु ओइगनी हाइबसे आई स्वाइदा दुम थमजगे थैंक यू
I am Nungaisi. The name plastic comes from the Greek plastikos, which means capable of being molded. And Alexander Parkis is the first man to invent plastic in 1856, and the real plastic came in the year 1907. Google pays. I'm very surprised to see that why International Plastic Bag Free Day is important. In that case, Samu will thank you. A. Plastic bags wreak havoc on our oceans. A decrease in plastic bags means a direct correlation in more whales, sea turtles, and dolphins. And B. There are easy alternatives. And like this, C, you can save the world. These are the 3 points, and Samu will thank you. This is very surprising to see that. Anyway, I'm not writing this. It is just a screenshot which is being pasted from the internet Google page. And I was confused why my name Samu is there. Samu will thank you. Anyway, this is another thing. I'm starting with the question. This is question number 1. This is rupees 5,000 question. How many years do plastic bags take around to decompose? 10 to 20 years, 50 to 100 years, 100 to 500 years, never decompose. Anyway, the answer is it takes around 100 to 500 years. So, plastics here, I'm just coloring in green. And next question is, which country in the world first declare ban on single-use plastic bags? Which country in the world first declare ban on the single-use plastic bags? Your options are, is it India, is it England, Switzerland, and Bangladesh? Amar is going to give the answer. Wolgi manungda B. England ihan hanna plastic si ban tawi haina haibani, but try to bodu yamna fai haina khali, but your guess is not the correct answer. Aseng badi Bangladesh ta nala da karida turenda mogi turel singda adegi di ithei lokong singda plastic si mayam sinaratana maduna dam tawraga mastai da paisandana maduna lau singu bada karida ising maising sinabada khudong chada badagi moina ihan hana world ko Bangladesh te inang nakna ko Bangladesh te da inak nakna ihan hana Bangladesh is the country in the world to declare ban on the single use plastic. I'm taking to the next question. Which country in the world first charge tax on plastic bags? Plastic bags in abada tax logi basi India ra, Denmark la, South Africa, Myanmar ra habi. The answer is Denmark. Next question. On the average, 1 million plastic bags are used around the world every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds? The answer is 1 minute. And then next question is polyethylene, the main component in single-use plastic, is discovered in Norwich and used to aid the British in the Second World War. Is it in 1930, 1933, 1937, 1965? The answer is 1933. And this is the last question. Single-use plastic bag was first created in 1965 by which of the following countries? Makada piriba countries sigi manungdagi karamba country na ihan hana plastic bag asi sakibage 1965 ta. Single-use plastic bag was first created in 1965 by which of the following countries? A. Sweden, B. Japan, C. China, and D. Germany. Japan guest opening Japan si natre ado amarna lemhoriba Sweden ne China ne Germany ne anyway this is just a discussion. This Swedish company amana Swedish celloplast company amana ihan hana single-use plastic bag was first created in 1965 by a Swedish celloplast company in the year 1965. So with this we come to the end of the observance of International Plastic Bag Free Day. This is being organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of Lilong Horebi College, Lilong, Manipur. And we are very thankful to Mr. Naurem Munal, who is an activist in the field of environmental concerns, global warming and plastic waste management. And also thankful to the coordinators of NCC, NSS and the YRC units of Lilong Horebi College. Thank you so much.